Today's recipe, chicken and veggie croquettes. They're delicious. Be sure to save this recipe and try it at home. You'll find exact ingredient amounts in the video description as always. Check out my Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook too. Dice the chicken, season with Gyro spice, briefly fry it, then set aside. In the same pan, we'll fry diced onions. Once they start to brown, let them soften slightly. Transfer to a bowl with the chicken, add canned corn, and season with salt and pepper. Add grated cheese. I used mozzarella and mix. I added 200 g of cheese to the filling. Prepare pancakes using your favorite recipe. You can use mine. I've included the pancake recipe below the video. Roll them up as shown in the video. From this portion, I made 12 croquettes. As usual, coat each in egg and breadcrumbs. Then fry in hot oil until golden on both sides. Perfect for dinner or parties. Enjoy!